Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. And before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. Damn, I just got told about myself. But let's be honest, I don't listen to a lot of people. I either gotta respect you or wanna be like you. Someone I respect told me where I was slacking. See, I've been doing this for a long time and I got a lot of wins. Somewhere along the line, I got too comfortable, too complacent, and too relaxed. I don't know really when it started, but it's embarrassing. I was real quiet during the conversation. There was nothing I could say to justify my behavior. I had to sit there and just listen. I could have tried to defend myself, but I saved myself from more embarrassment by keeping quiet. But I ain't mad. I can only be mad at myself. See, that's what we all need, a network of people that can hold you accountable, people that you respect, a person that really wants to see you win. No yes men. It's what I needed to keep me on my path. See, being my own boss puts me in a position where I don't have to listen to anyone if I don't want to. I'll say this again. I only listen to people I want to be like or people I respect. My advice to you viewers, get your team of people you respect and allow them to hold you accountable. If you're a prideful guy like myself, you don't like getting checked. So that's motivation to get your shit together and keep it together. I've worked hard for the past 10 years and put in over 10,000 hours to let it all go to waste. The advice was heard and I'm ready for what's next. Shouts out to the New Wave. Peace.